Christian Reformed Church. Greetings. I come from a long line of Christian Reformed pastors, grandfather, father. I'm a minister too. Not ordained by the CRC. I notice you have, wow, this is pretty serious. I drove through this last night. Not this area, I was closer to South Bend at the time. Hope I don't get electrocuted going over that. No? Okay. Survived. Wow, right in front of the Catholic Church here. All these wires down. Thoughts and prayers. We'll be praying for you. Looks like you survived it. God bless you all here in Sauk Village, and as I was saying, to the Christian Reformed Church. Anyways, I'll finish that in the box below. Please read more. God bless you all. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.